the morning dew and as vibrant as the colors of rainbow, we gather today for an event that promises to be exciting. I'm Hiba Mariam from First BBA, your host for today. I'm thrilled to welcome you all to the Campus Chroma, a festival of talents that promises an enthralling lineup of performances and interactions. Today, the halls of our esteemed college resonate not just with the pursuit of knowledge, but also with the lively spirit of fun and camaraderie. They say that great stories emerge from the harmonization of individual ideas, and today we shall witness that live. With that, dear audience, we are all set to begin our event. Let's start with a moment of reflection. I request Mr. Abubakar Sahil from First BBA to kindly come forward and lead us into prayer.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. الرحمن علم القرآن خلق الإنسان علمه البيان الشمس والقمر بحسبان والنجم والشجر يسجدان والسماء رفعها ووضع الميزان. In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful, the beneficent, has taught the Quran. He has created man, he has taught him speech, the sun and the moon adhere to schedule, and the stars and the trees prostrate, and the heaven he raised high, and he has set the balance. Thank you.
Words of welcome. I'm delighted to invite Ms. Aifna from 3rd BCom to deliver the welcome speech.
And all present here. It is our pleasure to welcome you to the inaugural ceremony of Campus Chroma 2024. Our national level fest of talent. As we begin this vibrant celebration, I extend warm gratitude to each one of you for being part of Campus Chroma. Your presence makes this event truly special. We are profoundly privileged to be graced by our chief guest, Mr. Anand G. Pai, President, Canara Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Your presence here today adds a special touch to our celebration of those who shape the minds of future generations. We warmly welcome you, sir. I am equally delighted to welcome Mr. Maitreya A., Chief Operating Officer, Canara Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Welcome you, sir. It's our privilege to welcome our guest of honor, Mr. Sharfuddin PK, AGM Campus, PAET. Dr. Salimullah Khan, Principal, PA College of Pharmacy. Dr. Ismail Khan, Vice Principal, PA Polytechnic. Dr. Syed Amin Ahmad, Dean, Student Affairs and Director, Center for Management Studies and Research. Dr. Iqbal, Physical Director, PAET. Ms. Shafina Syed Ismail, Admission Officer, PAET, whose unwavering commitment helps our institution thrive. A very warm welcome to our principal, Dr. Sarfraz J. Hasim, whose vision and guidance steer our institution towards new heights. Welcome you, sir. I also welcome our Vice Principal, Dr. G. Harikrishnan, whose steadfast support and dedication to education enrich our learning experience. Welcome you, sir. I would also like to extend a warm welcome to Ms. Vanishri Y, IQAC Coordinator, along with the heads of various departments. Your dedication is greatly appreciated. Welcome you all. Let's take a moment to welcome our Campus Chroma coordinators, Mr. Shamshir, Ms. Lavina D'Souza, and Mr. Sajir Ahmad. And I also welcome all the energetic participants and accompanying staffs from various colleges. Before I conclude, let's extend a special welcome to all the faculty members and students of PA First Grade College. Once again, welcome you all for Campus Chroma 2024. Thank you.
Thank you. Now, I would like to invite our principal, Dr. Sarfraz J. Hasim, to present a sapling to our chief guest, Mr. Anand G. Pai, President, Canara Chamber of Commerce and Industries. Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to call upon our Vice Principal, Dr. G. Hari Krishnan, to present a sapling to Mr. Maitra, a Chief Operating Officer, Canara Chamber and Industries, as a symbolic gesture. Thank you, sir. I now request all the campus Chroma coordinators to florally welcome all the dignitaries on the dais. Thank you. As a symbolic gesture marking the commencement of our event, I cordially invite all dignitaries to join us for the inauguration ceremony. Together, we will initiate the proceedings by watering a plant, signifying the nurturing of prosperity, growth, and flourishing development.
Invitees, participants, and all my dear colleagues, a very warm good morning to one and all present here. It is my honor to introduce our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Anand G. Pai. It is with great excitement and immense pleasure that I stand before you today on behalf of PA First Grade College to introduce a very special guest, Mr. Anand G. Pai, President, Canara Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Mangaluru, who has graciously agreed to grace us with his presence at this momentous occasion. Mr. Pai holds a degree in Industrial Production Engineering from Manipal Institute of Technology and Andrews University, Michigan, USA. He furthered his education with Masters in Software Engineering from Andrews University. Mr. Pai began his professional journey with his family business, Mrs. Bharat BD Works Private Limited, where he currently serves as Executive Director. He oversees strategic planning and diversification for the Bharat Group and heads its reality arm. Notably, Mr. Pai introduced Bharat Mall at Bijay, Mangalore, first modern shopping mall and multiplex, and one of the first in South India, established in 2006. His brainchild, Bharat Builders, has made significant contribution to the region's infrastructure. In addition to his business ventures, Mr. Pai is actively involved in automobile, printing and retail sector. He also founded the Bharat Academy, Karnataka's first IGCSE Cambridge affiliated school. Committed to philanthropy, Mr. Pai serves as a trustee for B. Manjunath Damodar Pai Charitable Trust, B. Manjunath Pai Cultural Foundation, Bharat School Trust and Sri Bhuvanendra College Trust, Karkala. Currently, Mr. Pai holds a prestigious position of President at Canara Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Mangaluru. Please join me in warmly welcoming Mr. Anand G. Pai. I welcome you, sir. Thank you.
We await your valuable insights and expertise. Over to you, sir.
To all the dignitaries on the dais, management and staff members, young friends who have all gathered here this beautiful morning. It's a great honor for me to be talking to you on this very exciting occasion of Campus Chroma, which is a national level fest for PUC +1 and +2. I am delighted to have the opportunity to address such a talented gathering of hardworking students. This is a great day for you, and I'm very happy to be sharing it with you. As President of Canara Chamber of Commerce and Industry, it is vital that I understand the youth of our area, our region, Dakshin Kannada. As I understand, Pace Knowledge City encourages all the students to make an original contribution to their field of study as an integral part of their professional education. It is a groundbreaking approach to the integration of teaching and learning that emphasizes the discovery of new knowledge. In today's world, young people need to know how to generate new knowledge in order to meet the demands of the modern day workforce. Going beyond this, currently India is a workforce hub and countries come to India to outsource their work. We have great institutions in and around our area. We produce the finest of the finest graduates from here. What is saddening is we see people move from Mangalore going towards Bangalore or bigger cities, or even going abroad for their jobs. What we want to do is basically make sure we have enough things happening in our area so that we retain this talent and now grow India. As I said, India has been more like a workforce for other countries to come and set up offices, factories here. But I think this needs to change. This needs to change in a big way. We have to be more invested and more interested in doing our own R&D. And rather than being a sweatshop, I think we should be the R&D center for our country. And for this, you all are our future. You all need to be working in a mindset that I want to serve here, I want to develop something for our country, and I want to create jobs, I want to be an entrepreneur, and it is the responsibility of the colleges to take this initiative so that we nurture this type of students in future. In a few days, on Saturday, on the 16th November, KCCI is organizing a seminar on enabling startups, role of industry, academia and government by Ms. Poini Bhatt, and Silicon Beach program, building our future while preserving our culture without destroying our nature, by Sri Rohit Bhatt. Both the speakers will share their rich expertise and experience to help us guide the bright way to achieve our goal. I request the management placement officer of Pace Knowledge City to be present for the event and make use of this opportunity. And speaking about the best part of the day, food festival, which we all are waiting to experience. Through the ages, gastronomy has proved to be a strong cultural force, bringing people across cuisines and tradition together. I am sure each and every one of us are waiting to taste the wonderful offerings we have here today. I was told that students from colleges around Mangalore, going up to Surathkal and our neighboring state Kerala are going to be taking part in this event today. It's your day to participate and enjoy the fun activities that is scheduled through the day. Participation should be the key. Winning and losing are part of the game, and what you should take from this fest, the biggest takeaway is collaborating, innovating, strategizing, and learning to work as a team. These skill sets will help you grow in the long run. With these few words, I end my speech here before wishing all the students out there a very bright future. Thank you.
To our principal, Dr. Sarfraz D. Hassim, to share his valuable insights and final thoughts with us. Your guidance and wisdom have been instrumental in our success. Over to you, sir.
Chief guest of the day, Mr. Anand G. Pai, guests of honor, Mr. Sharfuddin, Dr. Salimullah Khan, Professor Ismail Khan, Mr. Maitreya, Dr. Hari Krishnan, and all the heads of departments, members of the faculty, and the participants, and the great minds of this great nation, and the accompanying faculty members. Assalamu alaikum and a pleasant morning to you all. On behalf of PA First Grade College, let me extend a warm welcome to you all and a happy stay in the Pace Knowledge City campus for this day. Let me congratulate you all for taking a step to participate in various competitions that we conduct here and Through this, one thing is sure, the level of confidence will surely enhance. You are here not to compete with others. Of course, there will be winners, there will be first place, there will be second place, etc. But the main motto is to compete with yourselves. Believe in yourselves. And today, if you do not win the prize, that's not the end of it. But you will learn many things from today's program. These competitions are basically designed to enhance your skills. Today, what is lacking is the skill. Degrees everyone will have. But how to face this challenging world? How to have effective communication? How to work in a team? Now itself, when you practice here in your college, there is a lot of teamwork that has been cultivated. So ultimately it is the teamwork, it is the dedication, it is the commitment and the interpersonal skills that matters to become the great human beings. It is only not the matter of a degree that you earn, it is knowledge, it is the skill, it is the aptitude, it is the attitude. All those play a very important role to become success in life. So, I don't want to take much time. You are eagerly waiting to participate in various events and evening in the same venue. Let us declare the winners, and it is again a participative style that you need to focus. Take it in a true sportsmanship spirit and enjoy the campus and enjoy the food fest that is going on here. And I wish you all the best and thank you all for being a part of this program. Thank you once again.
Now I would like to invite Mr. Sharifuddin PK, AGM Campus, to present a token of gratitude to our chief guest, Mr. Anand G. Pai, President, Canara Chamber of Commerce and Industries. Operating Officer, Canara Chamber and Industries. Thank you, sirs, for being with us today. As we bring this successful event to a close, I'm delighted to invite Ms. Shazima from First BCom to propose the vote of thanks.
Good morning, everyone. I feel truly honored to propose the vote of thanks on this auspicious day. First and foremost, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our managing trustee, Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim, in his absence, for his guidance and support. I'm expressing my deepest gratitude to our chief guest, Mr. Anand G. Pai, President KCCI, for finding time out of their busy schedule to be with us today. Your words have been truly motivating, and we are deeply thankful for the insights you have shared with us. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to Mr. Maitreya A, Chief Operating Officer, KCCI, for his gracious presence. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the guest of honor, Mr. Sharifuddin PK, AGM Campus, Dr. Salimullah Khan, Principal, PA College of Pharmacy, Professor Ismail Khan, Vice Principal, PA Polytechnic, Dr. Iqbal, Physical Director, Campus Manager, Peace Knowledge City, Mr. Shafinat Saeed Ismail, Admission Officer, PA Educational Trust. A special thanks goes to our Principal, Dr. Sarfaraz J. Hasim, for his guidance and support. I would like to extend our heartfelt thanks to Dr. G. Hari Krishnan, Vice Principal, and Ms. Vanishri Y, IQAC Coordinator. Let me take a moment to appreciate the staff coordinator, Mr. Mohammed Samshir, Ms. Lavina D'Souza, Mr. Sajir Ahmed, coordinators of Campus Chroma, for their tireless efforts. A big thanks to the teaching and non-teaching faculty members for their continuous support and guidance. Your selfless dedication and mentorship have been instrumental in making events like this a resounding success. I would like to express my deepest appreciation to all my fellow mates, participants and accompanies for your active participation and enthusiasm. Your presence and engagement are what make this event truly memorable. I will not forget to extend my gratitude to Mr. Abdurrahman, Site Engineer, Mr. Srini, Electrical Engineer, and all the members of Site Office team, Captain Rudresh, Campus Supervisor. Once again, thank you all for being the part of this event. We hope to continue learning, growing, collaborating together in future. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
I request our student coordinators to kindly come forward with the trophies. A trophy may not have much monetary value, but the pride it gives the person who receives it can be priceless. And finally, the moment everyone have been waiting eagerly and anticipating, it's time to unveil the culinary delights of our food festival. Join us as we officially open the food stalls, showcasing a diverse array of delicious dishes prepared with love and care. I request all the dignitaries to move forward for the food stall inauguration.
അതോ മാമിന്റെ മാമിന്റെ ആവശ്യമല്ല മാം ഇതിന്റെ പോയി അങ്ങനെ നെല്ല് വീണ്ടും ആ വീണ്ടും അടുത്ത നെക്സ്റ്റ് പേഴ്സൺ
second round. Now we can have a break of 10 minutes and you have to back within 11:45. Okay, we will start our second round. Thank you for University College. I'm a second PU student, and I am Sikh by religion, and I'm very happy to be here, part of this event. So, and I am a very responsible person with leadership qualities, and I'm always enthusiastic to participate in all the events like this.
Can you stop? Can you stop?
Okay, sir. Sure, sir.
Why I said to stop? Because you're just going on whatever you are, isn't it? So something which is creative on you.
Creative is that even if I don't know anything, I try to learn something new. So, can
Creative
I say
is? Sorry, I didn't get what?
even if I don't know anything, like I am new to this place as well. So
Okay.
I am trying to learn Kannada and Konkani. There are many languages. So I am always trying to learn
So
something.
learning the language is creativity.
So that's creative about me. Even if I don't know anything, I try to learn to it. I try to adapt to new things.
Okay, sir. She wants to adapt new things.
Yes, one more question what I have is, you said you're sick and why are you here for the program today?
Yes, sir.
You said you're not well, you're sick and
No,
you're
no,
for the
sir.
program today actually.
No, I meant I am sick. I am nationality. I'm Punjabi.
Okay. Punjabian.
Oh, so why didn't you clarify that in the beginning? Like, you just said you're sick.
I'm sorry for that misunderstanding, sir.
So no, this was not misunderstanding. We understood properly. What you said was wrong.
Okay, sir. I'm sorry.
You just keep asking sorry. So I don't think you don't stand for your own things.
No, sir, but
You don't own it actually in the first place.
no, sir. But when I make a mistake, I have to say sorry.
You said you have
Leadership capabilities, right?
Yes, sir.
You said that you are the initiators. It means
yes,
you are the
sir.
initiator.
Yes,
There was a chair over there.
Yes,
He
sir.
came and kept one very politely there.
Yes,
Couldn't you
sir.
have sat there?
But if I said without asking you, that is
Could
also.
you ask?
Yes, sir. I was.
So I said repeat it again. You sent
Yes, sir.
another sentence.
I was just continuing, so you don't feel like
So
I'm.
still you don't feel that to ask that should I
Yes,
sit?
sir. Sorry, sir. Can I sit, sir?
No.
Okay, sir.
Okay, well, you're not comfortable by standing.
No, sir. I'm comfortable.
Then sit.
But
We want you to make comfortable or not comfortable.
I am comfortable either way, sir.
Okay, so should you want to sit or not, sir?
So if you allow me to sit, I can sit, sir.
Then we'll not allow you to
I'll-
sit.
I'll
Yeah.
rec-
Okay,
I'll-
then stand.
Alright, okay.
I'll try to request you to please make me sit, sir.
No?
So you studied in an English medium, right?
Yes, sir.
You studied, okay, fine. And so you prepared this resume by yourself?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how long did you take to build this resume?
Actually, sir, I was informed last minute that we are supposed to prepare it online, so just like 5 minutes before coming here.
5 minutes before coming here?
Yes, sir.
Right, and you studied in an English medium all this while?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You know what? Do you see this, the way you have written the whole thing here?
Yes, sir.
So go through this and tell me what are the good things about it, what are the bad things about your resume. Go ahead.
Okay, sure.
First good thing is she's not identified in the resume. It's a good
Sorry,
thing.
sir.
Whatever is wrong, it's wrong. Whatever is right, it's right. Because I'm not identifiable person in that photo.
Right.
Yes, sir. A good thing about the resume is that all the work experience which I've written and how I'm responsible and all my qualities I've written and my skills. There could be more in the resume which I didn't write.
Can you talk about your work experience?
Work experience? Sir, may I please?
Okay.
If I talk about my work experience, illustrious, it gives you a lot of work opportunity. So I
to win that matters. Everyone has that. It's the will to prepare to win that matters. The moment of triumph has arrived. Let's proceed with the prize distribution. May I request Mr. Mohammad Salih Asham to graciously announce the winners of Campus Chroma 2024, a national level festival of talents.
Good evening to all the respected dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. So, a one-day fest which has given everything for your participation. So, winning and losing is a part. If you win, you will take something from here. If you lose in the event, you will take some takeaways which you have experienced over here. So, this is the time to reward the winners of the Campus Chroma 2024. So, first I'll read out the names of Tectonic 2.0, that is Brain Blast, IT Quiz. The second prize is backed by Hamna Safia, Hira Women's Pure College, Amna Safia, Hira Women's Pure College. Now the time for the winners. The first prize is backed by Vidish D. Suvarna, St. Aloysius Pure College, Mangalore. Congratulations. Next event, poster making. It's a poster quiz, poster making using Canva. The second prize is backed by Rovin Leston D'Souza, St. Aloysius Pure College, Mangalore. And the first prize is backed by Rahul Shair, K. Pandiraj Balal Pure College. I request the winners to collect the prize. Congratulations. The next event, Humanist 2.0. The first event, Tranquil Flash, that is colors making. The second prize is backed by Fanazia and Amira, Kunil Pure College, Natekal. I request the participants to come and take the prize as soon as possible. And the first prize, any guesses over there? The first prize in college making, backed by Aisha Shaifa and Kulsu Tanzia, Kanachur Pure College. Chroma Reels, that is a documentary competition. The second prize is backed by, any guesses over there? Hiba Fatima, Hira Women's Pure College. And the first prize is backed by, any guesses again? Muhammad Suhail, Vishwamangala Pure College. Congratulations winners. The next event, Datatic 6.0. The first event, Fruit Art Gallery, that is fruit carving. I now request Mr. Haris TD to hand over the prize for the winners. The second prize is backed by Nurisha, Vishwamangala Pure College, along with Alimat Alfia. And the first prize is backed by, again, Sara Shazia and Aisha Reem from Hira Women's College. The first prize is backed by Sara Shazia and Aisha Reem, Hira Women's College. Second event, Cooking Confession, Cooking Without Fire. The second prize is backed by Khatijat Mahfouza and Aisha Shazma from Hira Women's Composite Pure College. I request the winners to collect the prize. And the first prize is backed by Amulya G. Naik and Christiane Gomez, St. Aloysius Pure College. The next event, Tasty Task, that is Cooking with Fire. Now I request Dr. Syed Amin to hand over the prize for the winners. Cooking with Fire, the second prize is backed by, any guesses over there? Aisha Shamiha and Hamna, K. Pandiraj Balal College. And the first prize, any guesses again? The first prize is backed by Ishra Alima and Fatima, Kanachur Pure College. The next event, Cameo 2.0. The first event, Mystery Trials, that is a treasure hunt, the hunt for the treasure where we find. Any guesses? Because it's already I've got to know.
The second prize is backed by MAPS PU College. I request the winners to collect the prize. And the first prize is backed by GHSS Udma. The second prize is backed by MAPS PU College. And the first prize is backed by GHSS Udma. Any representative from GHSS Udma can collect the prize. The prize. The next event, the Creative Brain, the marketing event. The second prize is backed by Akifa Zainaba and Niafa, Kanachur PU College. And the first prize, any guesses again? It's once again Nafisat Mishra and Sara Farah, Kanachur PU College. Now I request Ms. Shafnaz ma'am, the admission officer, PAET, to hand over the prize for the winners. That is a prime event of the Campus Chroma 2024. Spartan, the best manager. Any guesses over there? Any guesses? She has said the word, she has said the name in the reverse form, that is nothing other than Masha Kanachur PU College. Congratulations. The next, some awards will be given for the today's food fest. That is the best food. It has backed by stall number 12. The best food award is backed by stall number 12. And the best stall award backed by stall number 13. Okay, the best food is backed by stall number 12. I request Shafnaz ma'am to hand over the prize to the... And the best stall, it's backed by stall number 13, that is first BCom. Now I request our beloved principal, Dr. Sarfraz J. Asim, to hand over the overall championship and the runners-up championship with along with the other dignitaries on the stage. So it's a time, the group made as one, the group made as champions, and the group made as runners. Any guesses over there? The runners-up of Campus Chroma 2024 is backed by, any guesses? Any guesses? Once again, it is Hira Women's College. The runners-up is backed by Hira Women's College. Now I request our beloved principal, Dr. Sarfraz J. Asim, along with all the other dignitaries, to hand over the prize to the runners-up. Congratulations, winners. Now, it's a time for the champions. It's time for the team to celebrate their victory. Any guesses? Any guesses? Once again, the same like the previous year. But with a different motive, the champions of Campus Chroma 2024 is backed by Kanachur PU College for Women's Delegated. Congratulations. We appreciate your participation and winnings. This is time for the victory and this is time for the celebration. All the best for the upcoming events and congratulations. And I request all the participants to collect the participation certificate behind the stage. So you can come and collect your participation certificates. Thank you. Any one representative from each college can collect the participation certificate.
As we come to the end of this incredible journey, we want to express our deepest gratitude to every single participant, coordinators, volunteers and guests who contributed in making Campus Chroma a memorable experience. Now I'm delighted to invite Ms. Huda from First BCom to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good evening to one and all. The vibration of gratitude attracts more positive thoughts into our lives. And I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. Let me first of all start by giving the glory to the Almighty God for making today's occasion a resounding success. First and foremost, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to our esteemed patron, Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim, Managing Trustee of PAET, in his absence, for his unwavering support and guidance in organizing this grand event. Your vision and dedication to education have been instrumental in making this day a success. Our sincere thanks to our guest of honor, Mr. Sharafuddin PK, AGM, PAET, Mr. Haris CD, Purchase Manager, PAET, Dr. Saeed Amin Ahmed, Dean, SA, PAET, Director, CMSR, Dr. Iqbal, Physical Director, PAET, Ms. Shafina Saeed Ismail, Admission Officer, PAET. We also extend our heartfelt gratitude to our special guests who have brought their unique talents and energy to today's celebration. Mr. Muhammad Afwan, the amazing blogger whose storytelling connects and inspires us all. Mr. Muhammad Ajmal, Street Food Shambles, a culinary innovator transforming street food into unforgettable experiences. Ms. Samsira Bashir, home baker, influencer, whose creations spread sweetness and joy. Mrs. Semi Sattar, home baker and YouTuber, blending artistry with heart in every recipe. Ms. Naziba Ali, influencer, lighting up social media with positivity and authenticity. Ms. Arshana Adabiye, operation head at City Tower and Viceroy, a hospitality leader who creates lasting impressions. A special thank you to Dr. Sarfraz J. Hasim, our principal, for his unwavering support and leadership. Your guidance has been instrumental in making this day a success. I would like to express a wholehearted gratitude to Dr. G. Harikrishnan, Vice Principal of PAFGC, and Ms. Vanishri Vai, IQAC Coordinator of PAFGC, for their continuous support. A special appreciation goes to Mr. Muhammad Shamsir, Ms. Lavina D'Souza, and Mr. Sajir Ahmad, coordinators of Campus Chroma, and to Mr. Muhammad Arif, Mr. Ibrahim M., coordinators of the Food Fest, Ms. Anfar Nishad, Dietetics 6.0 Coordinator, Ms. Ramyashri, Cameo Coordinator, Ms. Fatima Azwina, Tectonic Coordinator, and Mr. Lohit, Humanities Coordinators, for their tireless effort in organizing this event. Also, I express my sincere gratitude to Ms. Misbah and Mr. Abdul Asmil, student coordinators, and all the student volunteers for their wonderful coordination. I would also like to thank the heads of various departments and all the teaching and non-teaching staffs for their dedication and coordination in coordinating this event and making it a grand success. Our gratitude goes out to Mr. Abdul Rahman, Site Engineer, Ms. Shrini, Electrical Engineer, and all the members of Site Office team, Campus Supervisors, Captain Rudresh, Accounts Department team, for their wholehearted support. Thank you all to the brilliant minds from different colleges and their accompanying staff. Your energy and insights made this event truly unforgettable. Finally, I would like to thank my fellow mates for their enthusiasm and participation, showcasing their spirit with passion and dedication. I wish you all very best. Thank you.